Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable distinguished guest Bu Retno, Kapit SMB Dinas Pendidikan Bantul, and also the great speaker Mas Dira. I always follow him Mas. As Pak Joko said, he's one of the chief abroad and secretary. Okay, so we are happy to have Mas Dira as speaker, keynote speaker. And also the Honorable Coach of NGAB, thank you for giving me chance to get in touch with English teachers. Right, Bapak Ibu, good morning.
Good morning.
How is everything?
Not bad.
Right. Me too. Right, Bapak Ibu, I'm very happy to see you and to have this learning community. I never speak English. I have not spoken English for 10 years. So I realized I know that my English is very bad, and my English speaking skills becomes worse and worse, and maybe the worst among you. So I'm happy to have English atmosphere. This is English June, so I want to use this to speak English. I never speak English much. Since I have been a superintendent means school supervisor. Well, Bapak Ibu, I want to visit to use this time, and thank you to Widi for giving me chance, and luckily, actually I still have 15 minutes, so I will use this. So the agenda will run well, like what NGMP have written in the agenda. Right, Bapak Ibu, I just want to remind you or refresh. Right, Bapak Ibu, technology cannot replace teacher. Do you agree?
Yes.
Do you agree, Bu? What's your reason?
Because we have delay.
Yeah. Okay, that's right. Technology doesn't have feelings, love, loving care, and also everything that human being can do. And related with your main job, teaching English, we should use this. That Allah gives us many things that technology do not have. Right. So we should use this. We should benefit equipments, natural equipments given by Allah. Right, Bapak Ibu. In this occasion, we are talking about. We will discuss about icebreakers. I think this is very important for English teachers to have understanding of icebreakers and how to use this. Right. Bapak Ibu, what is icebreaker? Actually, it is a kind of ship, ship to break ice waters. But it is broaden their meaning in educational terms. It becomes something that we can use to break ungodly situation, to break situation that we're stuck, boring situation, like we call it icebreakers. And maybe some people call this energizer. Energizer. And why do we need eye speakers? I think not only students but also teachers, yeah, doing activities all day long, make situation maybe students feeling or our as a teachers to be boring, tired, maybe also unmotivated, reluctant to do something, or students' tension become lower. To refresh mind, to relax formal situation. The informal situation usually it's very easy for us to get bored, you know? Right, and also to motivate, to energize spirit, to rise spirit, so that students and also teachers having more energy, to continue the activities. Right. And also to have good relationship among teachers and students. All right, Bapak Ibu, what is the criteria? What are criteria of good icebreakers? This I compiled from some opinions. The first is simple and easy to do. Yeah, don't use icebreaker which is need much time and difficult to do. Yeah, so just use very simple, because when giving icebreakers, we are limited by the time. Yeah, so find the simple and easy to do. And the next is relevant to the subject matter. Yeah. Try to find icebreakers which is having close relation, with material, with subject matter, and then also suitable to the student's level. So when you choose icebreakers, you should consider which grade, with 7, 8, or with 9, because they have different characteristics, among the age. And then try that icebreakers we use, include both direct or indirect learning. It is like relevant to the subject of the second, And then also, it's very important, find the icebreaker which is fun, entertaining, joyful. Do not use icebreakers which is very hard to do, very complicated, and ask students to think hard. Okay, and then what kinds of icebreakers? Actually, there are so many icebreakers that you can use in your English learning teaching. Songs. I think almost all people like singing. They like songs. Songs are very familiar to everyone. And then riddles. Of course, it is all in English, because we teach English. Riddles also is interesting, and we can find so many riddles, unlimited song, unlimited riddles. And then tongue twisters. Tongue twister can train students about their pronunciations, and also vocabulary. And then games. There are so many games you can use, from the simple to the complicated. You can choose. Guessing, puzzles, or maybe do what Simon says, etc. And also quizzes. And now we discuss some of this. Alright, this is very simple song. What's your opinion? When you read the lyrics, what material is suitable to this? The others? Yeah. Boring. What else? You can think in language components or in grammar. Finish. Yes. Stop and look. Stop. Look. Imperative, right? Yes, right. I agree. Yeah. From the first to the end, there are imperatives now. All right. And what do you think? It is suitable, suitable for grade 7, grade 8, or grade 9? Yeah, maybe 8. Yeah. Or you look at the NCP or in your ATP. What this component? Yeah, this imperative is in grade 7, 8, or 9. Yeah. Okay, let's try. Yeah, that's very simple. Stop and look. Before you cross the street, use your eyes. Before you use your feet, look right, look left, and to the right again. This will save you from accident and pain. Okay, let's sing together, yeah? Okay. And come with your, you clap your hand, yeah? Clap your hand, please. Okay, what? Stop and look. Before you cross the street, use your eyes. Before you use your feet, look right, look left, and to the right again. This will save you from accident and pain. Okay. Next, one more. I think it is also related with the first song, yeah. Imperative. And some songs are very good with if you accompany this with motion, yeah? Not only singing but also body language, yeah, motion. That's it. I think it's familiar for you, yeah? 2 little motion, 1, 2, 3. 2 little motion, 1, 2, 3. 2 little motion, 1, 2, 3. Everybody follow me. Follow, follow, follow me. Follow, follow, follow me. Follow, follow, follow me. Everybody follow me. Okay, now we accompany this with motion, yeah? Please, all you stand up. When we come to the second bait, you do what I do, yeah? Like what I do. Okay? Can you hand your 2 little motion, 1, 2, 3. 2 little motion, 1, 2, 3. 2 little motion, 1, 2, 3. Everybody follow me. Follow me. Follow, follow, follow me. Follow, follow, follow me. Follow, follow, follow me. Everybody follow me. And real teaching, you can sit down, please. Sit down, please.